This is those happy hour tattoos. Yeah, I literally love that moment where she like sees it, realizes, and it just changes her whole day. Yo, my name is Fila, and today for the Focus on the One segment, I'm gonna let you decide how we give away the money. I leave Peru on Saturday. That's only 3 days from today, and I really wanted to get this last Focus on the One segment done while I'm still in Peru. So basically what I'm gonna do is go on to Instagram. I'm gonna have a few different options, and I'm gonna let you vote for which places we give the money away to for the whole day. So for this first vote, we're gonna vote between the Papa con Huevo ladies and some guys cleaning shoes. So let's get to Instagram and see what happens. Who'd you vote for?
I'm for the breakfast. Because you go there every second day, so like you have a relation to the ladies.
Okay, so while we're waiting for the first vote to end, we're getting the second vote ready. And it's gonna either be me getting a tattoo that I've been wanting to get for a while, and we're just gonna tip the tattoo artist 100 soles, or Diogo is gonna get a tattoo on his head, right?
I'll get a tattoo anywhere. In my head, whatever.
On
My forehead.
No, we don't do that.
You gotta get this one.
You gotta live tattoo.
You gotta get the lip tattoo.
That's fine, but like, no, I have to look at you for.
No.
You said anything.
You said it.
I used the wrong word.
Or you get your nose pierced and we tip the piercing.
Fuck that.
You only have to wear it for a week.
I can't get my nose pierced and only wear it for a week.
Please.
What about?
What do you mean, please?
Come on, bro. Why you didn't get back out here? Okay, round one is over, and Papa con Huevo destroyed getting our shoes waxed.
My shoes were white ones.
I would have paid extra to have him wax your head though. Well, let's go make this lady's day. So for perspective, Papa con Huevo is usually 2 soles a piece. So we're gonna give this lady 50 times what one portion usually costs. Hola, buenos días. Ah, sí, por favor. ¿Y cuánto cuesta?
2 soles.
2 soles por un. Sí, solo una porción, por favor. ¿Y cuántos huevos usualmente tienen en un día? 40. ¿Esto picante o no? Sí, por favor. Gracias. Y esto para ti. Es un regalo.
Muchísimas gracias.
Sí, porque yo sé es difícil con la pandemia.
Ay, sí. Gracias.
De nada, mami. Buen día. No, para otra persona. Sí puedes, porque solo necesito uno. Ay, ok. Gracias, mami. Buen día. That moment, I literally love that moment where she like sees it, realizes, and it just changes her whole day. She even gave us an extra egg. You want some? We already actually ate this morning, so I don't even want these eggs and potatoes. So we're gonna take this back to Lisa. There you go. And that's round one. Round two is gonna be crazy. Okay, so it's either I get a tattoo or he gets some lame tattoo. We're on our way over to the tattoo shop. There's a few minutes left in the vote, but we think we know who the winner is. Anyways, I wanted to take a second to explain why I really wanted to get this done before going back to the States. And it's because Cusco itself as a city is so heavily dependent on tourism. And through the pandemic, obviously, like it's been wiped out, jobs have been cleaned. It's been really hard for the city in general. And I know $150 isn't gonna change the world, but it is gonna make a big difference for a few people. And that's really what this segment is all about, in focusing on the one and making a big difference for a few people. We said we would call it right at noon on the dot. It's 12 o'clock and it's 41 to 30.
I'm safe.
He's safe, he's not getting alpha tattooed on his forehead. ¿Estás esperando? I didn't expect to be here. This is those happy hour tattoos. Ask him if he can do it now. Let's do it.
Money coming, money go. I've been at it on the low. Trapping out a while I keep seeing the leaders doing this. We talking planes and maybe seeing you. Pull up on you, let me scoop. Nobody here but me and you. Got a little ring to it, turn that thing fluid in the coupe. Way you look, I know it's real. I'm on my Marshawn shit. I've been really getting a feel. You know why I'm here, don't act like you don't know how I feel. But let me tell you what you mean to me. Slide on me for that meet and greet. Vibe with me under moonshine, sipping moonshine to the new sky.
I never thought I'd be getting a tattoo for the focus on the one segment. What's good? This is actually like super sentimental.
Oh, look at the song. You won't cry right now.
We're both getting tatted. Plot twist. We recruited a third person to get the tattoo. Lisa, you gonna get one or not?
I think so.
Oh, you already sent it.
She's already sent the picture and everything.
You're committed. You're committed.
But I don't want it there.
Not there.
I want it on my ribs.
This went from me getting a tattoo to all three of us getting a tattoo so quickly.
Say hold it all the way down. Hold it down for me. Say you down for me. Hey.
I'm scared.
You better.
It's gonna be okay.
It's gonna hurt like shit. I'm here to support you though.
I'm here to support you. Support. She said it didn't even hurt.
No, I imagine it to hurt way more.
Hola amigo, gracias. Gracias amigo. Chao chicos.
Ciao. Un gusto.
Chao. Cuídense.
All right, now that we're done with tattoos, that's it for the day because it's getting a little late, so we'll pick up the rest tomorrow. Good morning. Today is day 2 of helping people out here in Cusco, Peru. And I want to clarify something from yesterday that I should have made a little bit clearer, I think, and it's about the tattoos. I paid for the tattoo itself. That didn't come out from the donations that you give for this whole segment. The only thing that came out for the donations is the tip to the artist. And it was great to help out another artist. But anyways, today we're gonna start in the service industry and we're gonna either help out a taxi driver or somebody cleaning up our trash. Now, there are a few reasons that I picked these two in specific. And the first one is the taxi driver because I've taken a lot of taxis around Cusco, and again, the tourism is extremely low to the point where guides, like guides for hikes or guides for trips around Cusco, have lost their job and they've turned to taxi driving. So a lot of the taxis that I've taken were guys who had different jobs before the pandemic, but they were forced to just find something that they could pay the bills with. So they started driving taxis. So the first option for this vote is giving a taxi driver 100 sole tip, or the second one is giving somebody 100 sole tip for cleaning up the trash in the streets, because we tip people that bring us our food, but people in the streets we just literally treat like trash. We throw our garbage on the ground and don't even think about somebody having to clean it up. But almost every morning people are out there sweeping up our trash, pulling huge piles of trash and putting them into a bigger dumpster, into a truck or whatever. And I think that job goes extremely underappreciated. Let's see what happens. Let's see what you vote for. The first vote is in and we're helping one of the people cleaning up trash. It wasn't even close. The taxi driver got obliterated this morning. Hola, buenos días.
Sí, buenos días.
Tengo un regalo para ti, porque este trabajo es difícil y no personas. Apreciación, ¿sí?
Ay, sí.
Y esto para ti,
Gracias.
y esto para ti. Pero un secreto.
Gracias.
De nada, de nada. Buen día. Gracias para todo, en serio, en serio.
Hay muchos que no nos reconocen el trabajo.
Sí, yo trabajé en un trabajo similar, con baños, sí. Lavar, pero no personas. Decir nada.
Ya.
Decir nada.
Bueno, muchas
Sí,
gracias.
gracias. Buen día. Good work. That one honestly touches me like deep because there was 2 summers in a row that I worked for the city and we used to clean bathrooms and we used to do all this dirty work, but nobody really said anything. And those type of jobs go super underappreciated. I mean, think about trash in general. We just throw our garbage in this bin and then it gets taken away and we never see it again. But there's so much dirty work that happens behind the scenes that goes underappreciated. Now this one's actually super close between the lady selling stuff on the streets or the street performer. A few hours have elapsed since putting the last one up, but it's been so close I wanted to let some more time run for it. But the guy with the guitar is still winning and his spot is right like over here, but we've been there twice in the last couple hours and he hasn't been there. the cafe right across the street said that he's probably out at lunch. That's what he typically does. The idea of this is to just help a street performer, but I'm a little bit invested in this guy, so we're out looking for him, and we've came back to his spot twice now, and he hasn't been here, so I might have to come back in the morning. Today is day 3 of what I thought was gonna be a one-day challenge. And as you can see, this is the exact spot where my man playing the guitar typically is, but he's still not here. Now, most people might take this as a sign, but I'm taking it as a challenge. My man's getting the money, even if I have to come back 4 more times. Amigo, muchas gracias. ¿No puedes ver?
No,
No, no.
no veo nada.
Es increíble. ¿Cuántos años está acá?
Yo como 30 años.
30 años.
Cusco.
En Cusco.
Ajá.
¿Y cuántos años tienes?
Yo tengo 70.
Well, yo tengo un canal de YouTube
Ajá.
donde personas me dan dinero para personas en todo el mundo. Yo estoy un viajero y quiero acá. Es un 100
Gracias.
para ti.
Gracias, amigo.
Muchas gracias, amigo.
Gracias a usted.
Y buen día, ¿eh?
Igualmente.
Gracias, papi. I knew there was a reason that the money needed to go here. This guy is 70 years old. He's been playing here for over, I think he said 10 years, and he's blind. Can't see at all. When I walked up to him to like say hi, I was nowhere near where he looked up to, and that was when I realized. And I've been on a hunt to find Venezuelans all morning. Now this last one is one that I'm not gonna take a vote on. It's something that has been strong on my heart in South America for years now, and we're gonna go help a Venezuelan out here get wherever they're going, because the crisis in Venezuela for the last few years has completely dismantled the country. I've met people in Brazil, I've met people out here who have done extreme things to get out of that country. I actually met a guy just down here on this street who walked 45 days to meet his family here in Cusco, and this isn't even his last stop. He was stopping here to meet his family, to sell candy on the streets to make enough money to catch a bus to Chile to cut hair. Literally to become a barber. He walked 45 days to a halfway point to get where he's going. So we're gonna give the rest of the money, which is 200 soles, to a Venezuelan for whatever part of their journey that they're on. Also, if you're wondering why I'm wearing these big ass headphones while I'm walking around filming, it's because I'm nostalgically walking through Cusco, because today's my last day in Peru and it's a little bit sad, and music helps me digest the experience, I guess. ¿Y de dónde eres? De Lima. He was from Lima, not Venezuela. Muchas gracias, amigo. Okay, these guys were from Peru and Chile, but they said there might be a Venezuelan guy about a block and a half down the street. We found our guy. He's out here waiting for traffic to stop. Let's see if he does something when the light turns red. From Ecuador. This is proving to be way harder than I thought, but right here's my guy playing the guitar, and on the other side is this mom and her child, and she's selling gum. And I think I'm gonna give the rest of the money to her. Yeah, that's what I'm supposed to do. Hola. ¿Y cuánto cuesta? Un sol. ¿Y es chicle o dulce o qué? Dulce. ¿Cuál tipo? ¿Es limón? ¿Y de dónde eres? ¿De Cusco? Entonces, yo no necesito estos, pero tengo un poco de dinero para ti. De nada. Más encanta. Y buen día. Bye. Adiós. Buen día, mami. Well, the last 3 days did not go as planned at all. For starters, I didn't expect it to be 3 days. I thought this was going to be a one-day journey, but it proved to be a little more time-consuming than I thought. I appreciate all of you who came out and voted on Instagram and decided where the money really went. Again, these Focus on the One segments are fully based off of donations. So if you like this concept and want to see more videos like it, please go down in the description. My Venmo and all my information is there. If you would like to donate whatever you feel like, and just put in the description that it's for Focus on the One. I'm Ryan Fila, and that's it for the Focus on the Ones in Peru. Until next time, you try to live your dream, and I'll see you there. Peace.